Unity in diversity is a concept that recognizes the existence of unity even amid the rich cultural diversity in society. This concept suggests that despite the differences in race, religion, language, culture, and traditions, people can come together in unity to achieve common goals and objectives. In this essay, we will explore and analyze 10 key outlines of unity in diversity and delve into each of them in depth, providing examples to illustrate this concept. Firstly, unity in diversity promotes mutual respect and understanding among individuals from different cultural backgrounds. It encourages people to appreciate and celebrate the unique differences that make each culture distinct. For example, in a multicultural society like the United States, people from various ethnic backgrounds come together to celebrate festivals such as Diwali, Christmas, and Eid. By embracing each other's cultural traditions, they foster a sense of unity and harmony. Secondly, unity in diversity promotes inclusivity and social cohesion within communities. It creates a sense of belonging and acceptance for individuals regardless of their cultural or ethnic background. For instance, in Canada, the policy of multiculturalism promotes the integration of immigrants into society while allowing them to maintain their cultural identity. This inclusive approach fosters a strong sense of unity and diversity in Canadian society. Thirdly, unity in diversity fosters creativity and innovation by bringing together individuals with diverse perspectives and experiences. When people from different cultural backgrounds collaborate, they can generate new ideas and solutions to complex problems. For example, Silicon Valley in the United States is known for its diverse workforce, which has led to numerous technological advancements and innovations in various industries. Fourthly, unity in diversity promotes economic growth and development by leveraging the strengths of different cultural groups. When individuals from diverse backgrounds work together, they can create new business opportunities and markets. For instance, companies like Coca-Cola and McDonald's have successfully expanded their operations globally by adapting their products to suit the preferences of different cultures. Fifthly, unity in diversity promotes tolerance and acceptance of different religious beliefs and practices. It encourages people to respect and coexist peacefully with individuals who may have different faiths. For example, in countries like India and Indonesia, which are home to multiple religious communities, people of different faiths live harmoniously together, celebrating each other's religious festivals and traditions. Sixthly, unity in diversity promotes social justice and equality by advocating for the rights of marginalized groups. It encourages society to embrace diversity and inclusivity in all aspects of life, including education, employment, and politics. For example, affirmative action policies in countries like South Africa and the United States aim to address historical injustices and promote equal opportunities for all citizens. Seventhly, unity in diversity promotes environmental sustainability by raising awareness about the importance of protecting the planet for future generations. It encourages people to work together to address global challenges such as climate change and deforestation. For example, the Paris Agreement, a global initiative to combat climate change, brings together countries from different cultural backgrounds to take collective action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Eighthly, unity in diversity promotes intercultural dialogue and understanding by creating platforms for people to exchange ideas and experiences. It enables individuals to learn from one another and bridge cultural divides. For example, international conferences and cultural exchange programs allow people from different countries to engage in meaningful discussions and collaborations, fostering mutual respect and understanding. Ninthly, unity in diversity promotes peace and security by fostering positive relationships between countries and communities. It encourages diplomacy and cooperation to resolve conflicts and maintain stability in the global arena. For example, organizations like the United Nations work to promote peacekeeping missions and peacebuilding efforts in regions affected by conflict and violence. Finally, unity in diversity promotes a sense of global citizenship by encouraging individuals to view themselves as members of broader human community. It transcends national borders and fosters a sense of solidarity and interconnectedness among people around the world. For example, initiatives like the Sustainable Development Goals aim to address global challenges such as poverty, inequality, and climate change by mobilizing collective action from governments, businesses, and civil society organizations. In conclusion, unity in diversity is a powerful concept that promotes inclusivity, creativity, tolerance, and cooperation among individuals from different cultural backgrounds. By embracing diversity and celebrating the unique differences that make each culture distinct, society can achieve greater harmony, prosperity, and peace. It is essential for individuals, communities, and nations to recognize the value of unity in diversity and work together to build a more inclusive and sustainable world for future generations.